That is item number 5. We have the findings and observations. At the end of the screening exercise, the committee held a closed-door session where it deliberated on the nominee lives, academic qualification, work experiences, competencies, and integrity required for appointment as the chairman, managing director, and members of the Southwest Development Commission, and thereafter established the following. 1, that as at the time of this report, there is no adverse security report or petition before the committee against the nomination of the nominees for the appointment as the chairman, managing director, and members of the Southwest Development Commission. On page 11, you have item 2, that is, the committee has established that both in fact and in law, that the nominees have satisfied the requisite requirements and hereby affirmed to be qualified, fit, and proper persons suitable for appointment as the chairman, managing director, and members of the Southwest Development Commission. Our recommendation is item number 6 on page 11. Based on the findings and observations of the committee on the nominees, and having been satisfied with their credentials, qualification and experiences, competencies, and performances at the screening exercise, the committee hereby recommends that the Senate do confirm the nomination of the underlisted person as chairman, managing director, and members of the Southwest Development Commission. 1, Senator Olubunmi Adebunmi as chairman, Dr. Charles Akinola as managing director, Honorable Bolaji Idris Ario, member, Joseph Akinolugbenga, member, Honorable Scholastica Olanike Omawurare, member, Mr. Olumuyiwa Timothy Olabintan, member, Dr. Ade Winle Olayinka Martins, member, Honorable Dr. Ibrahim Adeniyi Olaifa, member, Honorable Kabiru Ado Lakuaya, member, Right Retired Admiral Abdulbiu Adamu, member, Mr. Akinola Fagbemi Benjamin, member, Honorable Dr. Okowa Oyekwere Michael, member, Engineer Anako Alwell Owore, member, Mr. Olusegun Joshua Olufayinti as Executive Director Project, Mr. Tele Ogunjobi, Executive Director of Finance, Honorable Adefunmilayo Teju Osho, Executive Director of Corporate Services, Mr. Ibikunle Bayonle Fatai, Executive Director Environmental Development, and Alhaji Latif Oladimeji Ajijola, Executive Director Social and Human Capacity Development. Mr. President, distinguished colleagues, I so move that the mentioned chairman nominee be considered for the position of chairman, managing director, and members of the Southwest Development Commission as nominated by Mr. President. I thank you.
Thank you, Mr. Chairman. As the chairman, managing director, and members of the Southwest Development Commission. Number 1, Senator Olubunmi Adetumbi, chairman. Dr. Charles Akindiji Akinola, managing director. Honorable Bolaji Idris Ario, member. Mr. Joseph Akin Olugbenga Olu Rushola, member. Honorable Scholastic Olanike, is it not Sokola? Scholastica. Secretariat take note, clerk take note. Olanike Omowarari, member. Mr. Oluwamuyiwa Timothy Olabintan, member. Dr. Adewinle Olajide Martins, member. Dr. Ibrahim Adeni Olaifa, member. Honorable Kabir Adu Lakwaya, member. Rear Admiral Abdu Biu Adamu, member. Retired. Mr. Fagbemi Akinola Benjamin, member. Engineer Olwe Ihenacho, member. Mr. Olusegun Joshua Olufehinti, member. Mr. Tele Ogunjobi, member. Right Honorable Barrister Fumilayo Tejosho, member. Mr. Fatai Ibikunle, member.
The executive director, sir.
Oh, sorry. I'm sorry, yes. Okay, let me take it again.
Olusegun Joshua.
Let me take it again. Mr. Olusegun Joshua Olufehinti is Executive Director of Project. Mr. Tele Ogunjobi, Executive Director of Finance. Right Honorable Barrister Fumilayo Tejosho, Executive Director of Corporate Services. Mr. Fatai Ibikunle, Executive Director, Commercial and Environmental Development. Alhaji Latif Oladimeji Aji Jola, Executive Director, Social and Human Capital Development. Those in favor, please say aye. Those against, say nay. The nomination of the aforementioned persons are hereby confirmed by this Senate. The Leader of the Senate.